Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features, and a fair price. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.